Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is a video that I've been meaning to upload since a long time, since a year and a half. So this was in 11th grade for my painting project. I had painting as a subject in CBSE. So in 11th grade we were supposed to make a sculpture or a 3D model of any idol or sculpture from real life. So I chose the Nataraja sculpture, and this is me trying to make it um, with things of my own, with materials of my own. So I used tape and copper wire and air dry clay and the lid of a plastic jar, and lots of tape, lots of air dry clay, and and paint, all the basic things. So to make the body, I used the tape to make a ball out of it, one for the torso and one near the legs. And then I covered all of it with air dry clay and shaped it. It took a long time. I didn't have proper things to place my Nataraja on, because Nataraja, he has one leg in the air. Like, he stands on one leg, so that one leg should be able to support all the body weight. But then here the air dry clay was too heavy for it to support on one leg, so I had to place it on a tissue box, or like I had to stack up you know two rolls of tape so that it could stand, and then I sculpted everything together. So this was a really fulfilling process. And at the time when I was making the idol, I did not find proper resources on the internet, like on how to make a normal sculpture, just a basic sculpture. So I thought, like, I could put up my way of making these sculptures just for your school project, or for your college, or for just a fun project too, so people can have a reference now that they can also use things lying around the house to make beautiful sculptures. I was really happy with the result. All my teachers were too. So yeah, fast forward now, I have gotten a national rank in painting for CBSE. So yeah, that's a really happy news, I would say. And yeah, this is me. I've completed making the hair, the face details, and I'm trying to get him to stand, because it was not a proper balancing figure at this point, so I had to give him a little support near the hip using more copper wire later. So you can just see how I used the tissue box as support, and then we made the crown and the damaru. Everything was ready, even the scarf and bangles, everything was ready. The fingers was quite complicated, because they would keep popping off, so I had to like keep remolding it and keep sticking it back together. And then after that I colored everything in a copperish or bronze type color, so it would look like the actual idol from the photo that I was taking as a reference. And that is the ring of fire around Nataraja. So yeah, this is the final result, and I was so happy with it. It looks so nice. I was like, oh my god, I had the power to make a real idol. So look at it, so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and please like, share, subscribe, comment, and send this video to all of your crafty friends. Thank you.